this video is going to be just me showing you this thing I rigged up for this seat on here. So I wanted to be able to take this seat off whenever I want really quickly. So I found some old fence posts, and I cut them to size, drilled some holes in them for these pins, and stuck them together, and just like that, it can come off. And I can go out and do cool wheelies and shit without the seat on there. Show you closer. Took some old fence posts, drilled some holes in them for the pins to go through, and then on the bottom of the seat I attached more fence posts. Oh, there we go. The U-bolts, just the U-bolts that the seat came with. 4 U-bolts, 1 on each side, and these fence posts just sit nicely, nice and snug on top of these fence posts, and it makes it so you can quickly detach it and reattach it without having to take a bunch of U-bolts off. Like that, you just put it back in, line it up, line the holes up, put the pins back in. Just like that, it's reattached, and it's good for riding on. Thanks for watching.